Hello everyone, I'm Rizka. My student number is C11 2022 02491. And today I will make a video about building your own personal branding. So, have you ever wondered why few person, like you just know the person, why do the way they just walk, the way they speak, the way they talk about something, and you immediately know who they are. That is personal branding. So personal branding is a really important in our life because it suits us, it tell the world who really are. So the simple is personal branding is how the world sees you. So it's not about faking your personality, you being other person, other people. You try to use mask and say that, hey, I'm this, I'm X, I'm Y. That's not personal branding. It's just you want to become another person, different than personal branding. Personal branding is when you create something about yourself that people immediately know that is you. For example, you want persons to know you, so you're using one perfume that reminds people of you. So when pass by and then they smell you and like, oh, this is why this is that, like that. That's also a personal branding. So why is personal branding is really important? Because most of people always try to copy from celebrity. Oh wait, so let me open it up first. Personal branding is not for influencers, not for celebrity, not for artist models. No, they for all of us. College students, teacher, co-workers. We can be anything that we want. We can have our own personal branding. Okay, so it's not always about the seniority of, like, you're a famous person, you have to make a personal branding. No, not always. So personal branding is really means a lot, even for me, because to be honest, when I was in senior high school, I never have a personal branding. I always be the quiet person. I want to be someone else. Like I try to do anything that don't look either like me. Like I never want to look like myself. I want to be like someone else. But now I learned that personal branding means a lot to me. I change a lot. I have a lot of friends in campus now, happily, and the teacher are really good, really nice to me for my own personal branding because I'm being myself. So how do we make personal branding? That's the let's start from the first, the most basic. You have to know about yourself. You have to know what you're gonna be, what you want a world sees you, what you want to be the next, and people who want to be seen by you. You have to know what type of person do you want to be, when, especially if you want to build your personal branding in social media. That's really important because you cannot change your own personal, like today you're being a diligent and tomorrow you're being a lazy person. Don't do that. You have to be consistent. Okay, the second one is you have to make your own unique style. A unique style, this means that you have to make something that you have to do something, you have to make your own style. Maybe style of the way you speak, the way you dress. You have to make people remind of you. And then the third one is consistency. So especially you guys that want to be personal branding in social media, you have to be consistent. You cannot just Today you post quotes, you post something that meaningful of life, and then tomorrow you make a drama. Don't do that, because still people gonna see your story, not just your photo. So not aesthetic, but the outside, but also aesthetic on the inside. Okay, so you need to be consistency and try to be more positive aesthetic vibe. And then choose your platform. Choose your platform here is the place that you want to be remembered by people. Like if you active on speaking, you're active on talking, you can go to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, or maybe you like writing. Maybe you can make comic. You can go to Webtoon, LinkedIn, or some application that you usually make novel story. Personal branding is can be everywhere. You can be like doing everything that you want to be. Just don't be someone else. Just that. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for hearing. I hope this helped. Thank you. Bye.